Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Drawing Tutorials. In this episode, I'm going to tell you about pencil shading techniques. But before starting the video, I just want you to say that if you like my videos, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you. So let's start the video now. We will start our lesson with what is shading. Shading is the process of applying light and dark shades around the object to create the illusion of 3D effects. To get a more realistic effect on your drawing and more form and depth on your drawing, you will need a varying pressure on the pencil and the varying grade of the pencils. Hard pencils produce clean, sharp and light lines which are great for sketching and architectural drawings or portrait sketches also. But soft pencils produce dull and dark lines which are easy to blend. Soft pencils has more graphite. With less effort, you can make it easy to fill all the space of your drawing. I'm going to show you here varying grades of the pencils. This one is H. To H. HB. B. To B. Three B. You can see the differences here. 4B. 5B. 6B. 8B. 10B. 12B. The arrow indicates this way it will go harder or lighter, and this arrow indicates softer or darker. You can see in this picture. So these are graphite pencils. You won't get very dark effects by using these graphite pencils. So you can use instead of that charcoal pencils to get more dark effect. Or artists also use white color in their portrait or in their shading. For white color they use white paint or correctional fluid or white pencil crayon, so it will give a very impactful look on your drawing, which also enhance the realism of your drawing. My favorite pencils for shading are 2B, 4B, 6B, and get the darker effect I use 8B pencils. Now I am going to show you some examples of graphite pencil drawing which I have done. Here I have used so many grades of pencils, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B and 12B also. Now I am going to show you charcoal pencil drawing. So this is charcoal pencil I have used here. I have used only soft charcoal pencil to draw this sketch, and all the settings are done only by the soft charcoal pencils. You can use HB pencils for outlines, and first layer of shading you can use by HB pencil. And 4B pencil are mainly used for mid-tones or light shadows. And 6B and 8B pencils are for darkest shadows or darkest shading. 6B or 8B pencil mainly we used for hair, clothes, dark areas of background, etc. In this shading technique we use series of lines, mainly in downward direction, or you can use any direction in which you are comfortable. A little more repetition, pressure for medium shade, and more from light to dark shade. This one is the most easy and most favorite techniques of every artist. They mainly use this technique for speed drawings, and it is very time saver. You can do this and you will get desired result by varying pressure on your pencil. The second technique is cross hatching. In this technique we use overlapping of lines coming from multiple directions. You can use like this, or these are lines in any direction you can draw, like downward or upward directions, and you do it like this and you will get your desired effect. In any direction you can use these lines to get your desired effect. In any direction like this, downward, right, left, in any directions. Mainly this technique is used for fabrics drawing, or heavy textured skin or wrinkled skin. We use this kind of technique. Now the third one is circulism. Circulism is one of the favorite technique of every artist. It's great for creating realistic skin textures. The idea is to draw many circles that overlap each other and building tone with each added layer. Like this, you have to make circles. To get your effect, you just do it circling. Like this. And you will get the very good shading. And the next one is contour shading. This is also similar to hatching or cross hatching, except you have to add the curve in this technique. I am drawing here a ball, and I will add contour here like this. I'm adding the curve here. These contour lines can be drawn vertically, horizontally, or even diagonally. This is a great shading technique. You have to practice more and more to giving form to your line drawings. Sharp pencil tip, it's great for shading fine wrinkles. So the next one is smudging. For smudging, you just draw lines like this, or you can use your thumb to smudge it like this. Or you can also use tissue paper. I'm showing you here how to use tissue paper here. You draw the lines like this and then use tissue paper to smudge it. Or you can also use the tissue paper around your finger to smudge in a smaller area like this. So this is all about pencil shading techniques. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in another tutorial.